there, I'm Sarah Beshta with Life Tools Tutoring, and this is another Strong Kids story time. Today we're reading Early Bird on Sesame Street. Early Bird on Sesame Street by Linda Hayward, illustrated by Tom Lee. It was early morning on Sesame Street. The sky was still dark. Everyone was still asleep. Everyone, that is, except Big Bird. Big Bird was wide awake. He sat up in his nest and listened. He got up and looked around. There was no one to play with. "Where is everybody?" Big Bird asked. He began to walk. "I'll walk until I find someone to play with," he said. Big Bird walked up the street and around the corner. When he came to a bakery, he stopped. Inside the bakery, the bakers were taking loaves of bread out of the oven. "Everyone there is too busy to play," said Big Bird, so he kept on walking. I bet it smells really good in there. When he came to a fruit and vegetable market, he stopped. Outside the market, the fruit and vegetable sellers were taking boxes of fruits and vegetables off a truck. "Everyone here is too busy to play," said Big Bird. He went on walking. Big Bird stopped at a firehouse. The firefighters were washing the fire engine. "Everyone here is busy too," said Big Bird, sighing. So he went on walking. Wow, there are a lot of people up working way early in the morning, huh? Big Bird came to a police station and stopped. The police officers were standing in a straight line for inspection. "Oh dear, everyone is busy this morning," said Big Bird, and he went on walking. Do you think his friends are still asleep? At the newspaper stand, the seller was untying bundles of newspaper. "She looks too busy to play," said Big Bird, so he went on walking. He's at the clock shop. Do you see what time it is? Soon Big Bird came to a window with clocks on it. All the clocks said 7 o'clock. "7 o'clock?" said Big Bird with surprise. "That's the time I usually get up in the morning. I must be an early bird today." Look at all the people working. Big Bird walked back to Sesame Street. By the time he got home, he was very tired. "I think I will take a little nap," said Big Bird. Everyone's friends were waking up. Betty Lou was making her bed, the Count was brushing his teeth, Cookie Monster was brushing his fur, and Oscar was reading the Grouch Gazette. Bert and Ernie were eating breakfast. Little Bird was washing his face. Sherlock Hemlock was adjusting his hat. Everyone was busy at the start of a new day. Everyone, that is, except Big Bird. "Wake up, sleepyhead," said Little Bird. "It's time to get up." But Big Bird was fast asleep. I think his morning walk tired him right out. Early Bird on Sesame Street. Thanks for watching.